Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English grammar. First, begin by mastering the fundamental building blocks. Focus on understanding the 8 parts of speech, like nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Then, move on to sentence structure, learning about subjects, predicates, and objects. Consistent practice with these basics will set a strong foundation for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, delve into verb tenses. Understand how present, past, and future forms change meaning. Next, explore active and passive voice to add variety to your writing. Finally, learn direct and indirect speech to accurately report what others have said. These skills are crucial for clear and effective communication. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super handy for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's tackle some more advanced concepts. Conditionals help you express possibilities and hypothetical situations. Modal verbs like can or should add nuance to your meaning, conveying ability or obligation. Pay close attention to prepositions and conjunctions, as their correct use is vital for sentence flow and clarity. Practice makes perfect here. Consistent practice is key to mastering grammar. Work through exercises in textbooks or use online resources to reinforce your learning. Reading widely exposes you to correct grammar in context, helping you internalize rules naturally. Also, make sure to write regularly, focusing on applying the grammar rules you've learned. This active application solidifies your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.